Okay, Kari. It's time to see how far you come along.
You want to see if you can do your letters?
Yes.
Okay.
Good.
What letter is this?
R.
Good job.
Good.
R.
R. Good
What
job.
letter is this? Good job. Letter G.
G. Good.
Good.
Ouch.
Let them
What
have it.
letter is this? What letter is this? M. Good job.
Good.
What letter is this? F. Good
F.
job.
Good, man.
What letter is this? B.
E.
Good job.
Good.
What about this letter? T.
T.
Good job. What letter is this?
W.
W. Good
W.
job.
All right.
What letter is this?
I.
I. What about this letter?
Q.
Q. Good job. What letter is this?
J.
Good job. J. Very, very good job, Kari. What letter is this?
D.
Good job, B. How about this letter?
M.
L. He's right again. You're welcome. How about this letter, Kari?
K.
K like Kari. Good. What about this letter?
O.
Oh, good job. What is this letter?
U.
U.
U,
Good
all
job.
right.
And how about this one?
P.
Good job, P.
P. That's right.
What's this letter? What's this letter here? Dakari?
Go ahead, just
What
find the
letter is
remote
this?
H.
Good job,
H.
H.
Good.
What letter is this?
N.
N.
And
Good
you
job.
gotta get that in the camera, girl.
What letter is this?
N.
C.
C.
Good job.
Go with A.
What letter is this? What's that?
A.
Good.
A. What letter
A.
is this?
C.
Good job,
Good.
Z. What letter is this?
Shh, shh.
Dakari.
Hey, Kari. Kari,
No.
do you know what number that is?
P.
3. Very good.
People. They
Very good.
Four.
4. Very, very good.
Go with more again. Five.
5. Very good. 6.
More again.
Yes. 7. All right. 8. Good. Very good. I'm gonna skip one. Good. 10. You're welcome. And the one that we skipped over was? No. No. What number? 8.